G'day, Paul here with The Business of Art. In today's video, we are converting a personal YouTube account into a branded account. So, let's go. Hello, welcome to The Business of Art, where creativity and commerce come together. If you are new here, this channel talks about the tips, tools, and strategies that we need to use to build a business around our creative work. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. We are converting my personal YouTube account today to a branded account. The main reason that you might want to do that essentially is because it allows you to assign managers to help you manage the channel. You can't do that on a personal account. So when you move an account like this, all of your subscribers and their comments and your videos all move over to the new branded account. But any comments that you've made underneath that brand, that channel name, are deleted, and so you lose all of those. And so I want to do this before there's a lot of conversation going on my channel. So let's head to the computer and get this done. So it's pretty simple. Obviously, we go into YouTube. You can see I'm already logged into my YouTube account here on my personal account. And then what we're going to do is head down in the menu here to settings. And you can see here, add or manage your channels. And so this is the point where you can create the new channel if you haven't done that already. Now you can see I've got a couple of branded accounts here. One of them's the one for Small Crown Productions, which is my company, and a couple of others that we're looking to create channels for down the track. Now these two here are channels that I had previously created but deleted the channel, and I didn't know this, but they actually sit there. So I can just pull them back up. But if you need to create a new one, just here, create a new channel. And let's create a new channel for the sake of this. Call it a test channel. So you can create that and just literally hit create. And there it is, new account created. Now you can see that what that's done is it's switched you to that new account. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna switch accounts back. So what I want to do in order to change this is now come over here to advanced settings, and down here it says move channel. So move channel to a brand account. So we're going to click on that. I'm going to sign in to guarantee that it's me. So you'll need to sign in with your current account. Verify it's you. So yep, do whatever you got to do to verify it. Sorted. So you can see that's come back through now. Now, what you can see here is this is my current channel that I've got, 82 videos, 11 playlists, 105 subscribers. This is the account that's connected to it, and here are all of my branded accounts that I can select. And so I'm going to select this same account, Paul S. Adams, that I'd previously created. You can see that's the connected account, and this is called a brand account. So my channel now has this information on it. My channel after the move will have the same subscribers, same videos, same playlists, and this is the icon and name that I've created previously, so it'll be there. So all we're going to do is move channel. Gives you one last chance to confirm that that's what you actually want to do. We're going to move the channel. Now the other thing about this is that you also lose your custom URL for the previous brand account that you had, so it will revert back to whatever that was. So you can see here clicking OK, so that's reverted back now. But what I can do is switch account, and you can see here now Paul S. Adams with no icon now has the subscribers. This is my current account, currently has no YouTube channel, so that's swapped over very quickly and easily. That's it, done. Nice and easy, quick and easy, and if you need to do it, now you know how. See you on the next one.